Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you the Pioneer AVH-1300NEX installed on Volkswagen Golf. So in this vehicle the customer wanted to upgrade the sound system for better sound but also more functions, using the maps on their phone and touchscreen, Bluetooth and other stuff that did not came in this vehicle. So we have installed the Pioneer AVH-1300NEX. The AVH-1300NEX has CD slot, standard AM, FM. It has also a USB input, which in this case we have connected to the phone, and has also an aux input. On basic functions on the radio, you can set up channels, you can preset, you have equalizer here for setting up the way you like to hear it. But the main feature that a lot of people like this radio for is the CarPlay. So the CarPlay allows you to connect your Apple device, connect your phone in here, and then this is how it looks. So very similar to your phone, you got your home button in here. If you press long, you get the Siri function on this one. You get your own maps, which obviously live, and that way you get everything there. If you had Spotify, you can see the Spotify, WhatsApp, text messages. You have your phone in here, different options, everything, play your music, everything on the system. Very easy to use, very user friendly. That way you don't have to invest in a GPS system. You can just connect your phone and press here, control from here safely while you drive. The Pioneer AVH-1300 and all Pioneer systems can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel on the left corner. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.